Good morning, teacher and classmate. My name is Julian. Today I am going to compare the cultural practice of Colombia and Canada using this map. First, let's look at clothing in Colombia. The weather is usually warm, so people wear t-shirts, jeans, sneakers, dress, and other light clothes. In Canada, the weather is much colder, especially in winter. People usually wear winter jackets, boots, gloves, scarves, and warm clothes. Now let's talk about sport. In Colombia, soccer is the most popular sport. Many people also enjoy cycling and tejo, which is traditional Colombian game. In Canada, ice hockey is the national sport. People also like skiing and basketball. Next, we have healthy lifestyle. In Colombia, many people eat fresh fruits, drink water, walk, and enjoy family meals. In Canada, people like exercising outdoors, hiking, eating healthy food, and drinking plenty of water. Finally, we can see some extra facts. Colombia has a warm climate, delicious tropical fruits, and many outdoor sports. Canada is famous for its cold winters, maple syrup, and beautiful natural parks. In Colombia and Canada have different cultures because of their climate and traditions. However, both countries promote a healthy lifestyle and enjoy sports. Thank you very much for your attention.